My name is Ben Lofton. I'm a LinkedIn instructor, the best in the world. People will come up to me at parties. They'll say, Ben, how did you get to be so successful on LinkedIn? It's simple. I found my niche. I teach my students every single way to link dimensions inside of Solidworks. Like you. Yeah, you. Name one other person on this earth who can link dimensions better than me. I bet you can't. And sure, Solidworks is always making stuff faster too. Like with Solidworks parts. In Solidworks 2024, you can But in my experience, and take that for what it's worth, my students, they want to hear the good stuff. Every now and then, and because we're friends, I will tell you this. You will get the occasional student asking, hey, what's some new stuff I can do in SolidWorks assemblies? And though it isn't as important as learning that 12th, that 13th way to link dimensions inside of SolidWorks, I'll indulge. You will see me at user groups. People will come up to me, they'll be a little shy, right? They'll be a little shy. They'll say, oh, Ben, I had a question for you. I'll say, oh, no worries. I'll sign your backpack, no worries. And they'll give me this look like they didn't want me to sign the backpack. We all know you wanted Ben Lofton to sign your backpack, okay? it's not a big deal. But what is a big deal is when you act like what's new in SolidWorks drawings in 2024 will make you faster than doing the exercises in my course. But hey, you'll be the judge of that, okay? You'll be the judge. Being in my position as the foremost expert in e-learning content for linking dimensions within mechanical design automation software, you see a lot of wacky claims out there. Nothing will make you faster in SolidWorks than learning that 13th way to link dimensions. But don't listen to me. Check my reviews. Look at the stars next to my name. But SolidWorks, they'll tell you that you can model faster. You can model faster than ever before in 2024 by doing things like the Sven Lofton LinkedIn Learning Expert signing off.